Now I'm going to start stand down. This table will help me to carry my stuff. When you are going to do a turn down service, first of all, you need to start by draw curtains to facilitate the guests. Arrange the chair. Then you need to remove the decoration of the bed, and you fold it properly because we have to keep it in the room. You remove also the decoration cushion, and you don't have to put it anywhere. You have to put it where you agreed as hotel that you will be putting them. So we'll keep them here. Then we are going to open the bed to facilitate the guest while sleeping. So for turn down service is to facilitate the guest by opening the bed for him or her. And you put back the pillow. I opened this like this because it's a single occupancy. I opened the bed like this because it's a single occupancy. If it should be double occupancy, you open this side and you open also the other side. But for single occupancy, you open here. Then you put sleep well card. This card is called sleep well card. It's written, sleep well, dors bien, lala salama. Then you will put turn down mat for the guest in front of the bed. You also put slippers for the guests, and you remove them from the plastic and you put them like this to facilitate the guests. Let me use my pockets for the rubbish, no problem. Then I'm going to push back the table. Maybe the guests pull it. And I have to turn on these lights here. And after these lights, I turn on both sides. After turning on the light of this side, I will do the same. I will do the same on the other side. I will turn on the lights there, but I will not putting on turned on mat because it's a single occupancy. Then this is a breakfast card that I have to put here to facilitate the guest to make order about breakfast without going to the restaurant. So I put it here. Remember that we need to leave the chair half open. We put it like this. The remote is not supposed to be here. We will fix and put it on the correct place here with the TV remote control. And check if everything is okay. I have to stand around and check. Everything is fine. I think curtains there are not well draws. I can draw them properly again. I'm done with Turndown service. This is a perfect, the super needed service for the guest. It's not done in all hotels, as is an extra service offered to the guest, but is the most important because it facilitates the guest to sleep properly without removing the decoration cushion, him or herself, or coming in the room while the sleeper is still in a wardrobe. He found everything neat and ready for sleeping. This is how the Turndown was. Welcome back for the new session. Thank you very much.